My dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. Welcome to L Jaledi 2 Mathematics channel and specifically to Math Trick series. We have our math trick which is 4 minus 4 into 4 minus 4. We are asking ourselves this expression once simplified equals to what? What is our correct response to this question? And we are saying that correct answer is not 0. 0 is not the right answer to this expression once simplified. So let us see. The one who could get 0 must have interpreted it wrongly in this way. Could have got this 4 which is minus 4 into the 4 minus 4. In here, if one starts by just simplifying these two, whereby we are going to have 4 minus 4 to give us the 0. Then this brackets means multiplication. Then what is in the bracket here, I want simplified to get maybe still a 0 as the response, whereby we have the 0 multiplying the 0 to give us another answer which is 0. And we are saying that if one does it in this approach or using this approach, gets the wrong answer. So 0 is completely a wrong response to this question. Let us have the correct response so that we can understand how we can simplify it in the correct way. So as we have the 4 minus the 4 into brackets 4 minus 4, we are going to fall body mass. As usual, we have our body mass. The acronym is here, whereby B stands for the brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and then lastly, S stands for subtraction. So in here we are going to fall body mass, and when we are falling body mass, the priority or the order of what each letter means is in this form, in that direction, whereby the brackets is given the first priority. Let us now see how we could deal with it. In here, the next step, it means that we are going to first deal with the brackets. So we are going to deal with these digits, which are fours contained or enclosed in the brackets. So it means that we are going to have the 4 minus 4. And when we get the 4, take away the 4. Since they have the same magnitude, we get 0. So in here, we are going to have the 0. Then this bracket, we have this digit. It means that we have a multiplication sign there. Then we have the 4, this symbol which is minus, then lastly this 4. So after reaching this stage, we have two symbols or signs of mathematical operations. We have subtraction symbol and then multiplication symbol. As we revisit the body mass of the two, multiplication and then subtraction, when looked at critically, we can see that multiplication is coming first before the subtraction. So in this case, it implies that we are going to first deal with the digits which are in between or which are nearest to the multiplication symbol, meaning that we are going to have the 4 multiplied by the 0, which gives us the 0. Then the symbol here is a minus. Then we have our 4. So the next step, we see we have only one operation symbol, which is subtraction symbol. In here, we are going to simply simplify by getting the 4, take away 0 to give us the answer as the 4. So we are taking away the nothing from 4. The answer or the result we get is 4. What does it mean? It implies that del 4, our expression which is the 4 minus the 4 into the 4, take away another 4 equals to the positive 4. Del 4, this becomes our correct response or correct answer for this math trick, but not 0. And thanks for watching, and endeavor to subscribe for more videos of mathematics and lessons. See you again. Goodbye.